everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Desiree with Budget and Plan with Des. I wanted to do a check-in video on how the budget is going so far. So as you can see, I did find a classic budget planner, and I'm pretty sure you all seen my Instagram post. If you haven't seen it, or if you don't follow me, go to Instagram, search for Budget and Plan with Des. Follow me, I will follow back. I like to see how other people use their planners, also their stickers. So don't be afraid to follow. I will follow back. And also, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you do like it. So when it comes to the budget, we did have a budget for $1612.79. And that's with the rollover amount being $411. So when it comes to the medical bill, of course, the minimum is $10 a month, but we try to pay $20, so we're not really in the rush of paying it off since it's not actual debt. So we only paid $10 for AT&T. We did budget for $241.66, but we actually paid $356.60. We finally decided to pay off the cell phones, and that amount was $112 and some change. So we paid off the cell phones. The cell phone bill should be lower next month by almost 60 bucks. So I can't wait to see how much the next bill will be. When it comes to the electric bill, the electricity bill was $83 and some change, but I did budget for $85, and that's exactly how much I paid, $85. For the rent, I only budgeted for $181, and that amount went directly to savings. When it comes to Mattress Firm, I'll normally budget for $50, but at the moment, we've actually paid $60. So $10 came from when I sold something to someone. So we put that $10 amount towards Mattress Firm. I think the balance would be $349 now. No, $339. So we'll try to get that paid off completely this month. When it comes to the health bills, we did budget $75, so $25 went to 3 different bills that we just received in the mail for vision and medical. That does not look like a 7. Oh, by the way, I am using a Pilot friction. Yeah. Let me see if it'll show. A friction pen, which is erasable. So if you need pens and kind of mess up on your writing, definitely buy some of these. When it comes to the next few bills, I finally went to the bank and I finally used my cash breakdown card. Let's see, where did I put it? I'm not sure where it's at the moment, but it's a cash breakdown card. Let me see if I can find it. Well, I tried to look for it, but unfortunately I can't find it in the moment. At the moment it may be in my coat pocket, but I'm really not sure. But anyway, when it comes to the cash breakdown card, it's a little laminated card. It says cash breakdown on it, and it has hundreds, 50s, 20s, 10s, 5s, and 1s with the little time sign beside it. So what you would do, well, I'll probably make another video on how those work. So anyway, I went to the bank, I gave the lady my information, I gave her my card, and she said, "Oh, this is a smart idea." I was like, yes, it's definitely a good idea. I told her where she could get them from, so she definitely seemed pretty excited about those. So if you haven't got one, definitely get one. So once I find my card, I will show you how to break down your cash. And I may finally do a video on how to stuff my cash envelopes. So grocery. I haven't went grocery shopping yet, so we still have $130 for the auto deposit. Again, that's for gifts, vacation, ride share, now health, savings, and am I missing one? Vacation, ride share, savings, gifts, health. No, that's it. So $260 did go to each of those accounts. When it comes to fast food, we did budget for $40. And I think, one second. Okay, so I'm back. So when it comes to fast food, we did budget for $40. We only spent $13. That is not right. We actually have $13 left. So that means we spent $27. $27 so far. When it comes to miscellaneous, nothing was spent. When it comes to car maintenance, I did deposit $30 into my checking account for the car maintenance fund. Out of town, we did do $35 in cash. So right now, we'll just do that. And for groceries, we'll do that. Out of town, $35. For gas, this time instead of using cash for gas, I haven't used my Walmart credit card in months. I know it's been, seems like forever, so I finally got gas with my Walmart card, and it was actually $30.65. For fun night, we did budget for $20 for laundromat. Of course, we budgeted for $10 and $25 for hair. Now, when it comes to fast food, instead of putting the amount that I budgeted for, I put the amount that I've spent so far, just because once I get done with these 2 weeks, whatever money is left will go to a bill. So if there's any money left after having the $13 left, or spending the $13 or spending $10, whatever is left will go towards a bill. So that's why I put the $27 there. Well, when it comes to spending, let's see, move this out the way. So I did go to Michael's, and I'll show you what I got. So when it comes to spending, as you can see, really haven't spent much. Actually, I can erase all of this since I've already added everything in. Now when it comes to the spending, I don't keep up with how much is being spent from the cash envelope. I only keep up with what's being spent from the debit cards. Okay, so when it comes to the spending, once we remove the AT&T phone bills, well, not the phone bill, but paying for the phones, I've actually spent $49.85. As you can see, I actually only spent $5.87 for the classic budget planner. I did have $6 and some change left over on a gift card that was given to me on Christmas. And I did use my credit union credit card. I haven't used it in almost a year, so I did use it to pay for the budget companion pack and the half sheet Planner Babe focus sheets, which was $30.98 from the big sale that they had, and I was able to get $2 shipping, so that's really good. So now let's see how much we've actually spent so far and get everything added up. I'm going to pause this while I add everything up. Okay, so I got everything added up. I also went back and changed all of these to the budgeted amount, and once I check in before I get the next paycheck for February, I'll just calculate how much money I left over, well, I have left over, and put that amount here, and that way everything would sort of equal out. So everything that was budgeted for the cash envelopes or the automatic online accounts are the same. So I went back and changed them, and once I added everything up plus the amount that I spent, right now the total amount that was spent was $1,457.45. So instead of having the amount of $330 left over, I'm not pretty sure how much we'll have left over this time, but I will let you all book, so each sticker book was Smart. These stickers were $4.99. This has 1,116 stickers in each sticker book. So I know you've probably seen people getting these, and these stickers are freaking beautiful. And of course, I got this just because I wanted the cover so I can turn it inside out. So I got that. I didn't have to spend my money on it. My boyfriend decided, hey, do you want it? I was like, no, I don't really need it, but he decided he wanted to buy it anyway, so I'm so glad that he decided to do that for me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you would be notified. And thank you all for watching, and have a great rest of your day or night, depending on when you're seeing.